Setting up WhatsApp after signing up is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you complete the setup successfully. Step 1. Download the app. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for WhatsApp. Download and install the app on your smartphone. Step 2. Open WhatsApp. Once the installation is complete, tap on the WhatsApp icon to open the app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Step 3. Verify your phone number. Enter your phone number in the provided field. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Input the code to verify your number and proceed. Step 4. Set up your profile. After verification, you can set up your profile. Enter your name and upload a profile picture if desired. This information will be visible to your contacts. Step 5. Customize your settings. Explore the app settings to customize notifications, privacy, and chat preferences. Adjust these settings according to your preferences for a better user experience. Now you are all set to use WhatsApp. Enjoy connecting with friends and family.